Now let's have a quick look at the machine's buttons. USB-C charging port. Power on/off. Timer setting. Bluetooth. Volume setting. Long press this to turn power on or OFF. Short press this to choose a soundtrack. 20 soothing sounds. Press these buttons to increase or decrease volume. Press this cyclically to set the timer while the sound machine is on. Select a timer for 30, 60 or 120 minutes to turn off the machine or choose continuous play. Short press this to switch to wireless speaker, then indicator light flashes. Search R16 from the device list to connect. Select music on a connected electronic device.
Friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Press this to play or pause music.
Away from where we began.
Press these two buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds to reset Bluetooth. Long press this for 3 seconds to turn OFF. Please use a 5V1A output charging adapter and USB-C cord to recharge battery. The red light is on when charging. Red light flashing the capacity is below 20%. The light turns green when fully charged.